LSNQT kontra BLTG. BLTG in white, first possession. Steal by number 22 Ramirez, assist to Magat, 2 points for Magat. Goes to number 10, a steal by Magat, active hands, here comes Ramirez, assist by Magat, if Ramirez makes it into Vidals. Nice find to number 10, blocked. Rojas, clean up, rebound, and score by Rojas. Goes to number 20, steal by number 5. Magat, on the move, Magat, on the way, no rebound, clean up, rebound, and score by Ramirez. Rojas 20, Baluyot for 3, bang! Baluyot, oh, a steal by Ramirez. Ramirez with a steal. Counter steal, Hebreo to Ramirez. Hebreo with the assist. Masangkap. Near steal by Magat. Near steal. Baluyot gets it back. Baluyot. Step back. Goes to Rojas. Rojas, nice fight to Tiksay. Rojas with the assist. Magat. Attacks inside Magat all the way for 2. Basket by Magat. Clock for the blue shirts. Masangkap. Finds Rojas. Rojas. Backs it in for 2. Pull up jumper no. Pinasa pala. Kay Tiksay, it rolls in. Masangkap with the assist. Goes to Magat, that speedy point guard from San Jose. Nice fancy pass to Asaitono. Magat with the assist. Goes to Barantal for 3. That's short, rebound. Ramirez, and Monte de Ramos. No, Asaitono rebound. Asaitono wala pa rin. Monte de Ramos, another try with Monte de Ramos. Martin, 3-point shot by Baluyot. Bang! Number 22 Ramirez, assist to Asaitono. Goes to Martin. A steal by Ramirez. Nice pass to Magat. Assist Ramirez. Magat score. Magat against 2 blue shirts. Wala. Barantal taps to Asaitono. Barantal. Nice pass to Baluyot. Escapes. Masangkap with the assist. Baluyot again with the easy layup. Balik kay Ramos. Ramos. Nice pass to Barantal underneath. Masangkap. Nice location. Bustamante. Bang! 3. Hebreo jumper. Backs it in. Chua with the assist. Harass by Chua. Masangkap gets away. Masangkap. Nakawala against 3 BLDG shirts. Ramos. Attacks floater. Basket for Ramos. Goes to Masangkap, double team. Steal by Chua. Back to Ramirez. Foul on Rosales. Masangkap. Back to Bustamante. Corner pocket 3, favorite angle. Bang! Nice cut to Rojas. Foul. Rojas. 2 for 2. Magat to the floor. Jen Asaitono all the way for 2. Chua again with this. Michael. Attacks, Stacy Monte de Ramos, floater is good. For LSN, QT. Oberto taken away by Maramos. Goes to Asaitono, Jail. Jail Asaitono, flip shot, pasok, backer. Martin. Oberto. 10 on the shot clock, Oberto. Nabitawan, taken away by Asaitono. Steal ni Asaitono. Mike Chua against Martin, pirouette, Michael Chua, no, Monte de Ramos with the rebound. JC, 3 seconds, laban session. Masangkap. Pasa kay Tiksay. Tiksay, baseline. 7 on the shot clock, Masangkap. But he realizes it. Tiksay, 4 seconds. Taken away. Mr. Saitono, layup is good. Time out, LSSQ. Oh, a steal here by Ramirez. Kanina pa yung steal si Ramirez. Lead by Chua and Barantal. Magat, extra pass. Asaitono reverse. Jen Asaitono, Magat. Rifles it. Ramirez passes to Asaitono again. What a magic play there by goes to Bustamante. 8 on the shot clock. Basket, no. Rebound by Tiksay. Put back. Attacking Baluyot. Pasa kay Jen Asaitono. Sabit si Tiksay. End 1. And Bitis, Ramirez clean up. No, Ramirez gets it back. Ramirez na naman. To Ramirez. Ramirez, nice assist to Jen Asaitono. Ramirez na naman with another rebound. Balik kay Magat. Magat, aatake. Nice pass to Asaytono again. Magat with the assist. Up to Rojas for to shoot. Rojas, nice hand time by Rojas. Ramirez, long distance three. Magat with the assist. Short, Magat. Assist na naman pa kay Ramirez. Nice assist by Magat. Basket. Chasey, long two. In and out. Rebound, put back by number 12. Jello Maranta sa dito ng LSN. Martin. Masakap. Close to Rojas. Foul. Basket. 8 to shoot. Mike Chua. Passes to Chasey. Chasey na buwersa. Nagpasabit. 2 shots for Chasey. Bonte de Ramos. Pasok. Extra fight to Ramos. 10 on the shot clock. Ramos sidestepping his way for 2. Magat, alley-oop play to Ramirez. At Ebreo pala, Ebreo. Ingo to Magat. Oh, ingo to Magat. Apay to Ramos. Ramos. Goes to Magat. Magat, leaner, banks it in. Ramos with the assist. Tiksay. Attacks the smaller Ramirez. Tiksay lost the ball. Ball picked up by Ramirez. Ramirez with the steal. Assist to Magat, time out. LSN. Bustamante, goes to Tiksay. Tiksay, trapped. Steal by Ramos. Ramirez. Ramirez. Balik kay Magat. Nice find. To Asaytono. Magic Johnson pass by Magat. Edes Baluto 28. It's a runaway train. Ebreo with the steal. Ramirez. Pandagdag assist kay RG Asaytono. Ilang assist na yung Ramirez, madam? Rojas. Another guy that has been shot down. A steal again by Ramos. Assist to Magat. Basket is good for Magat. Assist. Nakaw-play steal na naman ni Ramos. Ilang steals na si Ramos din. Assist kay Asaytono. Asaytono for 3. Pandagdag putos. Wala. Rebound. Number 20. Ramirez. Assist ni Ramos. Ramos. Pandagdag stat line. Bang! Time out. Namali yung nagtahi. 1 for 2 for Baloy. Goes to Baloyot and 1. Bonus shot. Goes to Ramos. Ramos. Nice find. Montañez. Finally. Montañez. Still ni Chua. Ramos. To Chasey Monte de Ramos, sumali na rin sa scoring si Chasey. Chasey Monte de Ramos, extra pass to Ebreo. Assist ni Monte de Ramos. Bunker first. Can they let aboard the score? Yes, sir. Pandagdag sa stat. Nagpasa na lang pala kay Ebreo.